Longevity and aging is a huge topic right now. It's a frontier that has billions of dollars pouring in to figure out how we can live longer and healthier. And a new center at Northwestern is dedicating to analyzing a person's lifespan, and it's called the Human Longevity Clinic. NBC5's Christian Farr takes us inside.
First of its kind at Northwestern. This effort came from an ongoing research study that we have called the Human Longevity Lab that is studying the age, the rate and the pace of aging in individuals.
Dr. Josh Chima is the medical director of the Human Longevity Clinic, and Dr. Chima walked us through what an average patient would experience when taking a deep dive into their longevity.
So this is our first room. This is where our patients will go and meet our longevity physician, get a sense of what the entire day is going to be about and what we care the most about in our clinic. And then they'll get a DEXA scan. So a DEXA scan is a way to measure your body composition.
So after they do the DEXA scan, what happens next?
We'll move on. We'll go to our next room here. We'll get more of our testing. Part of this room is getting a blood draw, but we're doing a number of tests that are not routinely available in general medical practice. We'll be looking at things like the molecular measures of your health, looking at your DNA structure.
There is also a detailed eye and hearing exam. But before that happens, doctors take a look at your heart.
You will get a ECG or an electrocardiogram that'll look at the rhythm of your heart. You'll also get a test that looks at your arterial stiffness and measures the speed at which blood is flowing through the body.
There is also a check of your lung capacity and cognitive ability. The last test is a physical exercise stress test.
Measuring your VO2 max. That is the most amount of oxygen that your body can use when undergoing vigorous exercise.
Why would somebody want to go through this?
We know that the mechanisms that lead to people aging are the same ones that lead to us developing chronic conditions and having disability and dysfunction as we age. I'm hopeful will help prevent individuals from developing chronic conditions.
The test takes about 4 hours to complete and costs $4,200. It is not covered by insurance. At the Human Longevity Clinic, Christian Farr, NBC5 News.